Hello and welcome to another Snapshot video tutorial on the Braille Touch Plus. This video will walk us through the Microbit processor, from what's included in the box to buttons and ports. Unpacking the Microbit. The Microbit processor itself comes packed in a small cardboard box. The box contains the following: a Microbit processor itself, a battery pack which includes two AAA batteries, and a micro USB cable to connect to the Braille Touch Plus. There are various different versions of the Microbit, a version 1 and a version 2. Here we have the version 2 Microbit, and the major differences of the version 2 is that it contains Bluetooth and speaker on board. It is recommended to use the version 2 Microbit processor with key code. Hold the Microbit so that the two small connection sockets are towards the upper left-hand side. These sockets can be found by running one finger along the edge of the Microbit. Button A is located on the side of the Microbit facing you and on the left-hand side. To the right is button B. There is also a small array of small bumps in the center of the front face. These are LEDs which can display numbers and simple pictures. The battery connection socket is to the far left of the upper edge. Please be careful when unplugging and inserting the battery pack. To the right of the battery pack, we have a reset button. To the right of the reset button, we have the micro USB socket, which can be connected directly to the Braille Touch Plus. On the underside, the Microbit processor includes speakers, a microphone, a compass, and an accelerometer. In addition to the Microbit processor itself, we can also use the Microbit in conjunction with other accessories, including this Microbit rover. Projects that you can do include programming the Microbit itself and inserting the Microbit into the robot. Thanks for joining me on this Snapshot video tutorial. Please make sure to check out all our other videos in relation to the Microbit processor.
To purchase a Microbit, please visit https://www.octo.com/us/p/bbc Microbit v2-2 single board. We do love to help, but unfortunately, as we are not qualified Python teachers, we are unable to assist you in any Python related issues. We recommend checking out the following website for all your coding needs: https://www.microbit.org/